Hello everyone, this is the third installment on my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software tutorial. We'll be going over the slide master function today. So before we begin, I kind of want to give an introduction on what it is. So this is a function that you'll be using in order to change the presentation as a whole instead of just one slide at a time. So this is also great because when collaborating, it makes it so that other collaborators won't be able to accidentally undo some of your things or delete pictures you've added. It kind of locks them in place. So the first thing you'll want to do is just create a blank presentation. We'll be adding the templates here through the slide master function. So what you'll want to do is go to view and then start the slide master. So this is what it'll look like. So the one up here will be the slide master, and then these will be layouts that you can also change. So when you apply, say, a theme to the slide master, it will apply it to the rest of the possible slides that you can add. You can also change, let's say you want this centered, it'll do that on every single one. If you want to change the font, the theme, the color theme throughout the whole thing, let's say you don't want it as blue, you want it as this gray and orange, it'll change it throughout the whole thing. That way you don't have to worry about changing it on each individual slide. So you can also change the background styles, the font, and other things you can do. You can change the slide size, so this will make it so that it'll for sure fit on any screen that you play it on. Let's switch that back. You can also change the individual slides if you want to. So this won't apply changes to the whole thing, it'll just, in case you pick this certain slide, it'll be set up already how you want to. So you can also insert a whole nother master slide, and here you can apply a different theme if you want to. But mainly you'll probably just stick to one theme and one master slide. If you want to add more layouts, you can do that. This allows you to completely customize the slide however you want. Say you want to add a picture, that'll give you a place where you can add a picture, and then it'll send you to the appropriate tab to edit that. You can also add a text box, make it look more like the other ones. Again, it'll send you to a tab where you can fine tune all of the details that you want. So there's a lot of options here that you can do, and this just really lets you make a layout that will go throughout your whole presentation without having to change each individual slide every time. And like I said, as the owner of this whole presentation, you'll be able to have things locked in place that collaborators won't be able to delete or accidentally mess up in any sort of way. It'll say you add a logo on a certain section and you want it throughout the whole thing, it'll make sure it stays there even if while your collaborators are editing they accidentally, like click on something and press delete. It'll make sure that it doesn't actually go away. So that's pretty much everything you need to know. Thank you.